Why is soy in just about everything? The soybean or soya bean is a species of legume native to East Asia, widely grown for its edible bean. Soy is a staple crop, the world's most grown legume, and an important animal feed. Soy is a key source of food, useful both for its protein and oil content. Soybean oil is widely used in cooking as well as in industry. Traditional unfermented food uses of soybeans include edamame, as well as soy milk, from which tofu and tofu skin are made. Fermented soy foods include soy sauce and fermented bean paste. Soy is widely used because it is a cheap, versatile plant protein that can be processed into flours, oils, emulsifiers like soy lecithin and meat substitutes, making it a common ingredient in processed foods, baked goods, and many packaged products. Soy is prevalent in many food products due to its versatility and cost effectiveness. Here are the main reasons. Nutritional benefits. It is a complete protein. Soy contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a valuable protein source. Calories. It is low in calories, carbohydrates, and fats, appealing to health-conscious consumers. Rich in nutrients, soy is high in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, folate, and potassium. Functional properties. Emulsifier. Soy lecithin is commonly used to stabilize mixtures in products like chocolate, salad dressings, and margarine. Binding agent. Isolated soy proteins help bind water and fat, keeping products moist and improving texture. Meat. Substitute. Soy is often used in vegetarian and vegan products to mimic the texture of meat. Economic factors. Cost-effective. Soybeans are inexpensive to grow and produce, making them a popular choice for manufacturers. High yield, soybeans thrive in various climates, leading to a stable supply. Common products containing soy, examples, processed foods like chicken nuggets and fish sticks. Baked goods include gluten-free crackers and breads. Snacks, energy bars and granola bars. Dairy alternatives, soy milk and soy yogurt. Condiments, salad dressings, mayonnaise. As any person with a soy allergy will tell you, it seems as though the small legume is in just about everything, and they're right. Soybeans, which are related to clover, peas, and alfalfa, are incredibly versatile as a food, but they are also used in thousands of products such as soaps, cosmetics, plastics, clothing, inks, glues, lubricants, coatings, and insulation. In foods, they are especially desirable because they are high in protein but low in calories, carbohydrates, and fats. Plus, they contain no cholesterol and are easy to digest. Soy products, moisture, and binding. The soy legume's consistency allows them to be transformed into oils and flours, as well as dairy and meat substitutes. Importantly, isolated soy proteins are used to emulsify fat and bind water, which keeps many products moist without affecting other ingredients. Soy lecithin is often used in chocolate, margarine, and cheeses to keep their ingredients from separating and clumping. The isolates can also be used to give an elastic gel texture. This can make drinks such as soy lattes seem more creamy or full-bodied. Besides their remarkable flexibility, soybeans are also one of the most inexpensive crops to grow. They also happen to thrive in a wide variety of climates. This explains why they are so desirable for a range of industries. Although the plant originated in Asia, the vast majority of the world's supply is now grown in the United States and South America. What about soy lecithin? In recent years, there has been an increasing amount of controversy about soybeans, with some scientists raising alarms about their effects on hormone production. Others are concerned that many soy crops have been genetically modified, but it's unclear what impact those modifications will have on human health and non-GM crops in the long run. With the increased prevalence of soy in the North American diet, allergists have also noticed a corresponding rise in allergies to soy and soy products. Fortunately, many people with a soy allergy can tolerate soy lecithin, which is found in thousands of foods. But that's not so for everyone with the allergy. It's important to discuss this allergy with an allergist before eating any products that contain soy or soy products. Conclusion: the combination of nutritional benefits, functional properties, and economic factors contributes to soy's presence in a wide range of food products. This makes it a staple ingredient in many processed foods, often without consumers realizing it.